Hey, this is Mike. I'd like to talk about Nano Dimensions. It trades on the Nasdaq under symbol NNDm. The stock was down a little over 1%, down to $15.47. Look over the past 1 month chart. Nano Dimensions has done really well. It was below $10, so it's made a 50% move over the past month. So if you see a little bit of selling, especially when the market is not really that strong, that should be really okay. Nano Dimensions is actually really well positioned to be one of the top 3D printing stocks over 2021. In a recent letter to shareholders, the CEO had mentioned that Nano Dimensions is currently holding nearly $1 billion in cash with zero debt. That's going to put Nano Dimensions well positioned to make strategic acquisitions and to make some aggressive marketing over the next year as the economy reopens and big businesses are more likely to make investments in 3D printing hardware and software. Nano Dimensions produces a device called the Dragonfly 3D printer, which has had a couple of sales in 2020, and they're expected to have some really good sales in 2021. Nano Dimensions, along with 3D Systems, are really considered the leaders when it comes to the 3D printing sector. You look at 3D Systems has a market capitalization of $6.2 billion, while Nano Dimensions has a market cap of $3 billion. This is actually, believe it or not, 6 billion and 3 billion. It's on the larger side for 3D printing because it is still an emerging industry, and investors like Kathy Woods have predicted that 3D printing is going to be one of the big innovative sectors of the next decade. So, the one thing that I think you should really do is find the 3D printing stocks that look like that are really well positioned, so like Nano Dimensions and 3D Systems, and own a little bit of both companies because one of these companies is going to be one of the leaders in the whole 3D printing industry, and that company is probably going to have a market cap anywhere from like $50 billion to $60 billion over the next decade. So one of these stocks I am pretty confident is going to be a 10 bagger over the next year. So that's a 100% annualized return. So, you own a little bit of each. You're almost pretty close to sure that you're going to nab a really excellent return over the next 10 years. But I definitely like Nano Dimensions in 3D Systems, but I do think Nano Dimensions gives you more potential upside because it's about half the size of 3D Systems. So definitely check it out. Again, Nano Dimensions trades on the NASDAQ under symbol NNDM. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot.